Hey my lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video is going to be a full-on glitter set. So I am today going to be using the Macart White Polygel and Saviland Diamond Polygels. I use more than the two that's shown, but we'll talk about that when we get there. I'm going to talk about these tips quickly. So these tips are from AliExpress. I will leave them down in the description box below. I did leave a story up on my Instagram showing these tips. So these are like a dupe version of the 123 Go Nails Kiara Skies Jelly Nails and Gel X Apres nails. So, and they are very, very strong. And they are also very large in size. You can get up to, there's 12 sizes in each, and you get 240 in each bag, and they're like £3.68 or something. So they're really cheap, really affordable. And like I said, they're super strong, and they are definitely gel, because when you open the bag, you can smell like a little tint of like gel chemical smell. I hope that makes sense. With like, for instance, my plastic full cover coffin tips that I use from Amazon, when I file them, they smell like filed plastic. I don't know if anyone that like files their nails, the plastic like tips, you'll know what I mean. That like friction of plastic being like the friction against plastic. I hope that makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense. Hopefully someone understands. But these didn't smell like that. They didn't have that smell. And like I said, the bag within a bag, like the tips come in a bag inside a bag. I've said bag, I don't know how many times now, but that little bag actually smelled like gelled nails. It's like a slight tinge. I really don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, they're definitely gel tips, and they're really cheap. So I thought I'd let you guys know, so that if you wanted to get some full cover stiletto tips or extra long coffin, I bought a couple of different ones so that I can use them to do my nails for you guys, and they're easy to pop off, which is great. So let's go back to the video. So I didn't prep my nail, but I will leave a video in the cards of how you would prep your nail. Basically, you just push back a cuticle, take away any of the dust and dead skin, file the shine away, add dehydrator and primer, and then you go in with your tips, glue them on, and then you take the shine away from your tips. Sorry, I'd glue the tips on before dehydrating and priming the nail. And then you'd go in a base coat and you'd cure for 60 seconds. So that's just the small, quick version of prepping your nails, but I will leave a video in the cards so that you guys can go and watch if you really want to see a more in-depth tutorial. I have loads on my channel. So I decided to do this like glitter ombre onto white. This would have probably been a perfect set for Christmas. Looking at them now, but I still really enjoyed doing the set, and it was a really, really pretty set, and I don't think I've ever done this much glitter, apart from when I was reviewing the Saviland glitter polygels the first time. I haven't really done a really like in-depth like glitter set. So yeah, this set was really fun, and when I'd finished, I was looking at them and I was thinking, that looks like Elsa. So what I just done is I applied some white polygel to the tip of my nail. This is the Macart white polygel. Like I said, I'll link everything down below in the description, guys. And I just patted it and moved it into place, and tried to shape it as best I could so that it reduces filing, because you guys know I hate filing. If I could avoid filing, I would. But yeah, you just need to cover the tip with the white, and then what I've done is I just gently feathered it down the nail then where the ombre was going to meet, and I cured. Then I went in with diamond pink Saviland polygel, glitter polygel I should say, and I made a nail bed, and then I ombreed the glitter up the nail, and now I'm going in with, it's either Sparkling Girl or Glamorous Beauty. I can't remember, but everything will be linked down below. These like more spacious sort of glitters, this one here that I'm doing now, it was 3 for on, sorry, you get 3 in a set off of Amazon, and the rest of the glitter ones I actually got off of AliExpress. But they're all by Saviland. My thumbnail does actually have, is it Venrin Mall? In the actual thumbnail, it's actually got the picture of them. But did you guys actually know that that company and Saviland are actually, like, I think they're like sister brands. They work together. They're basically the same. They're either the same company with 2 different names, or they're sister brands like Kiara Skies and Glam and Glitz. Do you know what I mean? They all have the same, and I've spoken to them and they've like told me to go to speak to Saviland and speak to the other. So yeah, they all work together, which is great. And I really do like Saviland, and I think it's a very underrated brand of product, like a product brand. I think is really underrated. It's not sticky, it's not stiff, it works really well, it's really easy to move, and yeah, I sometimes forget how great Saviland is because I always use my cart for my sets, or like I review kits. So yeah, it was nice to work with the Saviland glitter again and remember how nice it actually is to work with. So basically I done the same white tip on all of my nails now, and again I was just moulding it into place. So I'm going to let you guys watch this a little bit and I'll be back when we start doing the glitter. Okay, so see you in a bit. And I'm back, guys. Hello. So now, because I was like, okay, I don't want to do just pink. I thought, I know, we'll do a mixture of pink and blue. So I use the diamond green blue, this one is called, and I put this on 3 of my fingers, and then I do a pink accent finger and my thumb. So yeah. And then I just mix it up between the what are they called, is it Sparkling Girl and Glamorous, or I can't remember the other one. Like I said, it will be linked, and I do show everything in the video, but I basically like just alternate between the 2, but I do put them on all of the nails and I just ombre them up. If you have too much, just scoop it off. Now this, I was like, I kind of like that, so I left it with just a tiny bit of like glitter going up the tip on my pinky, and I just ombreed them together. But this polygel works so great. I'm so happy that I done this set, and I'm so glad that I went back to this polygel and visited it again, and you know, really try it again. And then I done, like I said, that pink, is it diamond pink on my ring finger, and like as you can see, I bring it up the nail, making sure that the cuticle's all tidy and the nail bed is fine and the apex is built. And then when you feather it up, when you're pushing it up the nail, you then like bring it back down slightly, pushing the polygel back on itself before feathering it back up then, and it thins it out for you, and then you can just pat the top to flatten it and make it more smooth and stuff like that. Don't worry about your nail ever being lumpy and bumpy. There's nothing to panic about, because you can always file it when you're finished with the actual sculpturing and applying the actual application. I can't speak tonight, sorry guys. But of course it is easier to get as much like of the shape as you can before you get to like curing and filing, because then it's less filing. But if you don't mind filing, then there's nothing wrong with you just, you know, sitting there and filing it, because it takes me a while to file. I only leave like a small amount in my video, and then I actually sit back and I really file on my own. So yeah, this is pretty a simple one, guys, and I think I left the majority of it in, but I'm going to let you guys watch this, and then I go in with my filing. Filing's pretty much simple. If you want your edges to be straight, just hold your file straight and then softly file over the top to create the actual like arch and apex and smoothness on the nail. If you want to really file into these nails though, I would suggest capping in clear. I didn't, just because I knew, like, well no, it's not the case, I was just being lazy, but I knew that like I knew how far to file before the glitter would come off. But by all means, you should always cap your nails in clear if you're going to wear them for a very long time. But as you guys know, I take my nails off. But yeah, I have some music on and let you guys watch the filing and stuff, and I'll be back in time for top coat and stuff. So yeah, enjoy. And I am back, guys. Hello. So now I decided to grab a couple of nail embellishments and my Macart rhinestone like gel glue stuff. Basically I put a dollop of that onto my nail and then I go over it with top coat before using my crystal katana or wax pencil, whatever you want to call it, but it's like a diamond picker-upper tool. And I just press in some embellishments into my nail. Didn't really have like a thought process in this. I did for my thumb, but my ring finger I was just like a rose, some pink gems, and then I was like, okay, let's just do like a line of random crystals as well, rhinestones going up the nail. And then my thumb I just put a bow and some randomly placed other bits. But other than that, guys, that was pretty much it. I then top coated all the other nails. Remember that all these products cure for at least 60 seconds in your nail lamp, but you should always check the instructions in case, because obviously all companies are different. I will leave links to everything that I used in the description box down below. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the nails. Let me know in the comments down below if you did. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because like I post on there regularly and I talk to you guys on there and stuff like that. And like I said, I post deals and little like bargains that I find, so it's worth having a look, and little hacks and whatnot. But other than that, guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.